Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to do Brazil clap, updated. Start by finding a balanced stance with feet shoulder width and knees soft. Ground your weight on the balls of both feet, engage the core, and relax your shoulders. Practice the small forward arm swing and a sharp wrist snap to produce a clean clap sound at hip level. Keep breathing steady and repeat slowly until the movement feels natural and rhythmic. Stand ready and focus on foot timing to lock the clap into a groove. Use tiny hops on the balls of your feet to keep tempo and absorb impact, and coordinate the hop with each clap so movement feels connected. Start slow with a simple count, then gradually increase speed as you stay relaxed. Keep knees bent and land softly to protect joints while maintaining smooth, continuous motion throughout practice sessions. Hey, quick break, if you're finding this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth if you want a relaxed take on money that pairs oddly well with practicing rhythm and focus, and it might change how you think about goals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once the basic clap is comfortable, layer in styling to make it your own. Add a slight torso twist to enrich the sound and give visual flair, or introduce a small jump every fourth clap for emphasis. Try different hand heights and sharper wrist snaps to vary tone and volume. Practice transitions slowly, then stitch variations together so the sequence flows naturally, expressive but controlled for performance or social dancing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.